Hello everyone. Today we will develop a simple login and register page. It doesn't include any previous usernames and passwords checking. Didn't use it that much of big logics in this page. We'll just create a simple basic login and register page. For that, first we have to establish a database connection. I already created the files configure.php. This file is used to the database connection file. Now we'll write the code. This file is included in all other files to avoid rewriting the connection code. It connects PHP to MySQL. MySQL Connect tries to establish the connection. Now we'll write code for this. It's a server name. This is my SQL root password, and we also have to mention our database name. You can write users. Now we have to connect to the database using MySQL. For that, now if the connection is failed, we will print some sort of message like a connection failed. We'll close the PHP tags. This is the simple database connection file. If it fails, it will print a connection failed. Now we'll save this. Now we'll develop the register.php file. I already wrote some sort of HTML code. Now we'll write the PHP code in that. Uh, we are writing register.php file using the session user, using the session. What the session variable means, it is a commonly used to identify and keep track of the logged in user. Uh, it will be persist until the user log out the session expires. If the session expires, the use of that variable will be also expires. This is very useful in authentication systems in PHP. Now we'll write the PHP code further for this. We'll start the session. we are including the database connection in the file. Uh, we have to check if the form is submitted or not. Right. Now get username from the user and we'll get the password from the user. We'll write SQL line to insert user data into the users table that we created in the PHP MyAdmin. Username. Now we'll run the query. Now we have to show the successful message after. To the login.php file. This is the simple code for the register.php file. When the form is submitted, the register button triggers the PHP block. The entered username and password are saved to the users table in the database. After saving it, it shows the success message and will and the login link. Now we will develop the login.php file also. Let us save this file. For this also, I already wrote the HTML code. Now we'll write the PHP code. We'll start the session. We'll include the database connection. We have to get the username from the user. Then we have to get the username. We have to search for the user in the database. Now we will open the XAMPP and we'll start the MySQL and Apache server. Sorry, some sort of error. Now we'll create a database in the phpMyAdmin. The database name may name by users info, and we'll create that, and the table name be users, and the number of columns will be 3. The first one is ID. The length may not be specified. And the second that be username, and the type is varchar, and the length of the username will be the 50 characters. And the third is password, and the type is varchar, and the length of the password is 50. Now we'll save this, and now we'll try to access our website. We'll type we'll register first. The name of hello, and the password may be 111, and we'll click the register button, and now we'll log in. What's the username? Username is a hello, and the password is 111, and login. Now we displayed the welcome message. After the welcome page, the user can able to redirect to the login page also. The user is now logged out and must log in again to access product pages. The overall flow of this program is, when the user opens the register.php and signs up, the user is redirected to the login.php file and logs in. If the login is valid, user is sent to the welcome.php file. Otherwise, error may be displayed. Welcome.php file displays a username using a session. After clicking